Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok video under review problem. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and then if you have such problem, you need to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here it is. Then at the top right, click on the three lines button. Then the last option, settings and privacy. After that, you need to scroll down and find report a problem button. Here it is. And then you will see different options. You need to scroll down and click on the last option, chat with us. After that, you will see this interface. All you need to do is to click on the send a message text box. And then you need to describe your problem. For example, hello, my video has been under reviewed for more than 1 day. What should I do in this situation? Moreover, you can click on the plus icon and then add some screenshot of your problem or video of your problem. And then TikTok support will receive your message for a few hours, maybe a few days, and then your problem will be fixed. And that's all, and that's how to fix TikTok video under review problem. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.